Welcome to the Financial Independence Network. Today, we discuss the top 10 ways to make money online. The links for the websites mentioned are in the description. Remember, hit that like button and comment on other finance-related topics you'd like to see. Making money. The sweet sound of cha-ching. But, with the economy in the gutter and layoffs around every corner, what's a person to do? Fear not, for the internet is here to save the day. Here are 10 ways to make money online. At number 1 we have Festi. This platform allows you to charge people for online classes. If you're passionate about fitness or dance, you can get paid to show off your skills. Some people have made over $30,000 doing this. So go ahead, teach the world to do the funky chicken or downward dog, and watch the money roll in. Number 2. If music is your jam, check out Songfinch. It's a songwriting and producing service where you retain full rights to your music. Some artists have earned $40,000 to $80,000 a year. So, start writing love songs, breakup anthems, or an ode to your cat, and get paid. At number 3 there's virtual assisting. You offer administrative, technical, or creative services to clients from anywhere. People earn up to $21 per hour, which can buy a lot of avocado toast. Websites like Flex Jobs, 24/7 virtual assistants, and Fancy Hands connect you with opportunities. Plus, with 24/7 virtual assistants, you can hire a full-time virtual employee for only $1,999 per month. That's cheaper than an in-person assistant, and you don't have to provide snacks. Number 4. If you're a writer, you can write and self-publish books on Barnes & Noble Press, Blurb, or Lulu. You earn 70% royalty rates with your ebook through Barnes & Noble Press. The payment structure of Blurb and Lulu are a bit complex, but let's be real, you're a writer, you can handle it. Number 5. If you're skilled in writing, editing, graphic design, coding, or digital marketing, you can offer freelance services on Fiverr, Upwork and Freelancer. The options are endless when freelancing. 96.3% of sellers on Fiverr make $500 or less per month, while the top 1% earn $2,000 or more per month. Number 6. You can market your skills on TaskRabbit or Airtasker. TaskRabbit connects people with skilled professionals who complete various tasks, while Airtasker is a company that acts as a marketplace for service providers. The average pay for taskers in the US is $48 per hour. And on Airtasker's website, US taskers are earned $2,500 per month. So, if you're handy with a hammer or computer, this could be your calling. Number 7. Feeling generous? Share your internet with Honey Game. This app allows you to make passive income by sharing your internet connection. The app uses your connection for business cases, including ad verification, price comparison, and brand protection. You could earn up to $50 per month. But be warned, if you share too much, you might feel like a human hotspot. Number 8. If you're using your phone for daily habits like listening to music and playing games, then get paid for it. The Mode Earn app lets you earn passive income via their daily habits. You can earn $600 per year or more in income. Number 9. Take surveys because companies want to hear what you have to say and they want to pay you to share your thoughts on services and products. Just complete an online survey to get paid. Some of the best survey companies include Swagbucks and QMe. Most Swagbucks members earn $1 to $5 a day. Number 10. Participate in online focus groups. The more lucrative opportunities are through companies like Respondent and user interviews. According to Respondent, the average payout for a completed project is $100 to $700 per hour. While user interviews pays around $10 to $50 per completed research study. That concludes our video. Please comment, like and share. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any making money online videos. Thanks for watching.